Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out the battery health percentage or capacity of any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Air Battery. On the first list you will see the application, just tap on it. Now just tap on install this application. So after installing this application, you need to install one more application. So once again open the Play Store and just search for Shizuku. On the first list you will see the application, just tap on it and tap on install. So once the installation is done, now just tap on open. Now here you will see step-by-step guide, right? So if you're new to this application, you can read the step-by-step guide on how to set up this wireless debugging, or if you want to follow my video instructions, then you can follow it, or you can do it by yourself by reading the step-by-step guide. So just tap on this pair. Now just click on this notification option, just enable it. Let's move back. Now here you can see developer option, just tap on it. Now just scroll down below. Now here you will see one option written wireless debugging, right? Just enable it, click on allow. Now just once again tap on this wireless debugging option. Now here you can see one option written pair device with pairing code, just tap on it, and now you will see a Wi-Fi pairing code. So just note it down and you can see a pop-up message on the above. Just swipe down the notification toggles and just click on this enter pairing code and click on send. Now you can see you can start Shizuku service now. Just swipe up again. Now just move back, move back again. Now here you can see an option written start, just tap on the start. Now you can see here Shizuku is running, right? So our first task is completed. Now you can just minimize it, and now just open the Air Battery application which we have downloaded earlier. Now here you will see here one option written maximum capacity, right? So just tap on it. Now just tap on this allow all the time. Now you can see here my battery health percentage is 100% right now. So in your case you might see different. So if you have older smartphones, then that might show 80%, 90% depending upon how good condition or how much percentage, that is the battery health percentage, is left for your respective Android smartphones or tablets. So you can see the exact battery health percentage by using this method. So by using this application you can easily find out the battery health percentage or capacity of any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.